Let's see how Sweet Pea thinks about these. You want to try one, baby? You think you want to try, honey? That's Sweet Pea. Come on, baby. Do you like it? I don't know if she likes it. She gotta have flavor on her food. Anyways. Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Today in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how I made this nice, delicious fried potato balls. Very delicious. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. And I added 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and I added 1 egg. And that's what you need is 2. You just need 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. If you want to make it thicker, add more. Okay, this is what you do right here. You take this little piece right here, you just put it in there and let it fry up. Okay, check that out. We're going to do a taste test on this. We got some nice good looking ketchup here. That's very delicious. I want to thank you for watching my channel. If you do like my channel, hit the subscribe button. And don't hit the notification, and y'all have a great day.